Hi guys, I'm Nahshon, and welcome to my channel. So, yeah, Easter is a very complicated topic to make a video about. There's so many things that you could talk about on Easter, but I decided to teach, well, you all to draw. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe, and comment down below and tell me what you think of this drawing video. It's my first drawing video I've ever done on my channel, and I hope you like it. Hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Let's go. Hey everybody, I have no idea if you can hear me or not, but I'm still here. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to draw the Easter Bunny. Because, well, Easter. Okay. First, draw a circle. Hopefully you're not holding a camera in your other hand when you're drawing, but draw a circle. Draw these lines. These are your guidelines to make sure you're not putting all elements of the face like all over the place. Okay. Draw the eyes. We're gonna make that simple today. Draw the nose. Draw the eyebrows. Draw the whiskers. And now, I'm going to draw the ears. Ready? It's very, very hard to do holding a camera in my hand. Now, grab your eraser if you draw the circle too big, like I just did. Now, okay. And now we draw the tie. And we draw the tie. And that's how you draw an Easter bunny. Hi everybody, this is what the final product of your Easter bunny should look like. If it doesn't look like that, it's okay. It doesn't have to look exactly like mine, but this the basic way of how to draw it. So yeah. Again, sorry if the camera work was a little sloppy. Again, this is my first drawing video. And again, I hope you like it.